Listen up guys, this AI video generator just wrecked influencers. Yeah, this might be the end of influencers. AI just took a massive leap forward, and brands might not even need real creators anymore. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, just announced GOKU, a next-level AI model that generates ultra-realistic videos and images, and it's different from anything we've seen before. Most AI video models use diffusion, where images start as random noise and get refined step by step. GOKU skips all that. It uses something called rectified flow, which means it generates everything in one smooth process. No gradual noise removal, no waiting forever for each frame to render. It's just there. That makes it way faster and way more efficient than anything else out there. Let's dive into details. So, why am I so excited about GOKU? It's fast, but it's not just about speed. GOKU keeps everything super consistent. No weird glitches, no flickering faces, no distorted hands. That's because it was trained on an insane amount of data. 160 million image text pairs and 36 million video text pairs. That's more training data than any other AI video model. And when you put it up against competitors like Luma, Pika, even Kling AI, GOKU beats them across the board. You can see the examples they show here. It's really a Sora killer stuff. The pricing is stiff though. It's not cheap for sure. But here's where things get crazy. ByteDance built GOKU Plus on top of it, a version specifically designed for marketing. This thing can generate marketing avatars from text, turn product images into full video ads, create ultra-realistic product and human interaction, and even optimize ad scenarios on the fly. For brands, this means they can generate high-quality ads with tiny budgets, make endless variations of influencer-style content, and scale marketing fast. No need to hire creators, no need for expensive shoots. Just type a prompt and boom, instant ad. And ByteDance isn't just keeping this locked away in a lab. GOKU is already in research preview and they're starting to show what it can do. And if they integrate it into TikTok, that's game over. Brands won't just use AI to assist with content. They'll generate entire marketing campaigns with zero human creators. So what happens next? Will AI completely replace influencers or will creators adapt? Either way, this is coming fast, and if you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe. I'll keep you updated when GOKU officially drops.